Alam nyo, nadi-disturb yung kaluluwa ko at nakakadismaya talaga yung sinabi ni Gabe about sa Supreme Court's decision.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Importance of narratives din, sir, tsaka Kuya Chris, na isipin nyo na lang po, put your shoes on the common folk na paano sila mag-isip na kapag sinabi ng Supreme Court, unconstitutional, they will take it as gospel.
Yes.
Without even thinking of like the facts that's presented to them. Kaya po ang importante na hindi talaga sila makialam. Kasi kapag nagbitaw sila ng salita na unconstitutional, hindi na po mabibigyan ng oras mag-isip yung common folk.
Kingina, sobrang disturb ng kaluluwa ko. Hindi ko alam kung saan mag-uumpisa. Hinga muna. Unang-una, Gabe, hindi ba facts yung ground ng decision ng Supreme Court? So, another thing, the decision of the Supreme Court forms part of the law of the land. So, hindi lang siya gospel, kasama siya sa considered commandments ng Diyos. Kung meron kang Diyos. Yun na yung pinakamalapit na comparison doon sa sinabi mo about sa pagiging gospel ng desisyon ng Supreme Court. Well, it forms a part of the law of the land. Gets mo ba yon? Tsaka bakit pag nagbigay ng desisyon ng Supreme Court, hindi na pwedeng mag-isip ang common folk? Pwede nilang pag-isipan yung desisyon ng Supreme Court at i-check kung tama or mali ba ito. Anong pinagsasabi nyo dyan?
Kasi
Ang tawag kasi sa kanila, Gabe, the gods of Padre Faura. They're the highest court, kaya
Yeah,
Diyos nila eh.
Siniraan nyo yung Supreme Court, you put them on a status of a god, like wala silang basis doon sa ruling na nilagay nila. 'Di ba? And the fact that you will be the one who's going to shout, rejoice, pag yung pabor ng Supreme Court, panig sa kung anuman yung gusto nyo. Ngayong hindi nyo nakuha yung desisyon ng Supreme Court, tatawagin yung Diyos, sisiraan nyo. Wow! That is intellectually dishonest. Kilabutan naman kayo.
But they're not infallible.
Yes, they're not infallible, but you could point out what their mistakes are. Hindi yung nandyan kayo nakaupo, sinisiraan yung SC. Pucha. Tsaka sino bang mas magaling? Yang podcast nyo o yung Supreme Court? Sige nga, alam nyo man lang ba kung paano makarating as a Supreme Court Justice? Alam nyo ba kung gaano kahirap yung pagdadaanan para makarating sa pagiging Supreme Court Justice? Compared sa maggrupo-grupo kayo dyan, mag-podcast, siraan yung justice system dahil hindi nyo nakuha yung gusto nyo? Kadiri.
at saka yung bringing up mong point kanina, Kuya Chris, na biglang nagsisilabasan yung technicalities and naghahanap sila ng loopholes kung paano hindi matuloy nga to. It's a common tactic that's being used for a very long time na kapag merong malaking problema, ito yung problema, this is the problem, they try to divide the attention of the people to not focus on what the main issue is.
Do you even hear what you're saying? Due process nga. Kung may hindi nasunod sa due process, di hindi due process yun. So ano yun? You're shouting due process only when it applies to you? Oh my God! Pupurihin niyo yung justice system pag pabor lang yung desisyon sa gusto nyo? Freaking...